My nature advocacy fight to defend, protect, and preserve natural habitats. Biodiversity, our natural world, is under more threat than ever before. I promise to improve public awareness of today's critically important environmental issues and educate people to make informed, eco-friendly decisions and lifestyle choices. Working with volunteers and government organizations to raise awareness about these issues, inspire and educate future generations, and support land conservation activities by organizing volunteer initiatives.